There are many products available to choose end tables, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best end tables from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. CosmoLiving by Cosmopolitan Westerleigh Green End Table. Along with this very aesthetic green, this table is available in terracotta, pink, blue, and of course, your classic black and white shades. Oh, and want to know a little secret? The drawer front looks like 2 drawers, but is actually one deep drawer that gives you all the space to store larger items out of sight and out of mind. Material: wood. Weight: 30 lbs. Dimensions: 15.6 feet x 23.6 x 28.1. Number 2. MaxSmeo Modern Nightstand Rattan Side Table with Storage. Small space that needs a little extra storage, please meet this rattan table. Don't let the compact design fool you though. There's a top shelf for your lamp and multiple empty mugs, a middle shelf to house a coffee table book for all the boho home inspo you've ever wanted, and even a drawer to hide annoying clutter away. Material: rattan and wood. Weight: 17 lbs. Dimensions: 11.8 feet x 15.7 feet x 23.6. Number 3. Solaround Acrylic Nightstand Side Table. Consider this visual proof that end tables don't have to be boring. This acrylic home accessory is available in 3 colors, including Barbie pink, and we can confirm that it's just as groovy as this warm-toned orange one. Material: acrylic. Weight: 15 lbs. Dimensions: 12 feet x 18 feet x 15. Number 4. BEWISHOME Round End Table Side Table with Metal Frame. 3 tabletops are better than one with this modern tiered end table. The minimal gold and white design is perfect for displaying small vases, sculptures, or candles, and holding your drink and book. Material: metal and wood. Weight: 9.9 lbs. Dimensions: 15.35 x 13.78 x 23.62. Number 5. Tiita Rattan Side Table. This rattan end table looks straight out of Dakota Johnson's mid-century modern home tour, and we honestly couldn't ask for more. Plus, it has a spot to display your favorite magazine, Cosmo material, glass, bamboo, and wood. Weight: 11.28 lbs. Dimensions: 19.7 feet x 14.4 feet. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information, or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make you life much more easier.